Hi friends, welcome back to the channel Job Updates by Verma. I give daily job updates in my channel for every sector, government sector, private sector, engineering sector as well as PSU jobs, and also I provide information regarding free courses, and from there you will get certification. You will be able to do certification after your college. So stay tuned with me. In this video also I am going to share with you some important Udemy courses with certification. It will be very helpful to you. And in our channel I also provide interview tips, interview syllabus, interview discussion. So if you really want to stay tuned with me, you have to subscribe our channel. Please hit the subscribe button to stay tuned with us and keep motivating us. So let's start this video. So today I'm going to share few Udemy courses and coupons and also I will give the link from where you will get the coupon, and you will directly able to get the coupon and just buy the course. And these Udemy courses have the lifetime access. So if you just buy one time with this coupon, then you will be able to access this course in your lifetime. Okay, so let's start. First course is the Ultimate Anonymity Online While Hacking. So you are able to see this link. I will click this course link. It will be redirecting to the coupon website. Okay. So here if you click on enroll for free, then you have to allow the permission. Okay. So you can allow or also you can cancel, then just click the back button. From phone you can directly enroll. So the course name is the Ultimate Anonymity Online While Hacking. You can see the Udemy course it is. So just click on enroll for free. The buying page will be open to you. So just you need to click on add to cart, okay, or enroll now. You can see here it is mentioned free because the website is giving a coupon for today. So these coupons will not be valid for lifetime. So as soon as you are getting the information, if you are interested, you can buy those courses. So you can see its rating is also good. 4.4 is not a bad rating. So if you just click on enroll now, then you have to give your full name, email address, password. You can sign up and you can buy that course. Okay, so in this way you have to buy all the courses if you're really interested for that course. So let me share with you other courses. Like another course is Adobe Premiere Pro CC 2017, the complete guide. From here you will be able to get an idea about Adobe Premiere Pro CC. So in this course you will be able to learn the video editing and Adobe Premiere Pro CC 2017. So it's a good opportunity, rather I say. Next course is Java for Beginners, first step towards becoming a Java guru. So this is the course name. The students who are in final year or in second year or third year watching my videos, I will suggest them to learn Java as a one programming language, because this language is very much helpful in your campus placement. So just click on course URL. You will be able to see the free coupon there, and you have to click on enroll for free. And as I have shown you that how to enroll for this thing, so you can directly go to the course and just click on enroll now. By creating your or sign up your account in Udemy, then you will be able to get this course for free. Okay, after completing the course you will be able to get the certificates for all of the course I have till now mentioned. You will be able to get the certificates after completing the course. The next course is Chinese characters you must know. You can again go through this course link. Another one is reverse engineering malware analysis fundamentals. It's regarding networking. Those who are interested in networking, to learn basics of networking, those can choose this course. Outstanding customer service, those who are interested in BPS. Those are now just few days back TCS BPS drive was going on. So this type of drives all times goes on. So if you just have an idea about this type of things, then it's a benefit to you. So those who are having the interest in these items, you can learn. Okay, then next is perform an excellent neurological bedside exam. Next is regression and classification in R for machine learning in R. So those are interested in data science and machine learning, those can go for this course, because the programming language is R. Here you will be able to get an idea about R in this course. R has a relevant importance in IT industry. So if you really want to go for data science field, you can take this course. Another course is dealing with difficult people, life and work powerful. These are some psychological course also. Those who are from BA, BCA and BSc background, those can also go through these courses, because these course are you will get this course coupon for free, so it's benefit to you. If you do some course like this, then it's a very good thing for your career also. So you will be able to see for cinema also. Those who have interest in cinema, they can take this course, Film School Cinema 101. Create, launch and scale your premium online course. Android for beginners. Android is very much important nowadays, so you can learn Android free of cost by getting the coupon from this website. I will give this link in my description box. So another few courses, publishing secrets in masterclass. Another one is entrepreneurship and business creation. Microsoft SQL Server 2027, Linux, Docker and Mac OS hands-on. It's important, I will say. It's relevant for the industry. Okay, SQL Server is used in everywhere in the industry, so it's very good. So all are these the courses you will get for today, and this will not be valid for too many days. Okay, so as soon as you are getting this notification, try to buy the courses with this free coupon, otherwise the link will expire. So that's it, my friend. I think you have liked it. If you really like, don't forget to share this news, because some of your friends will get benefits from this. So please share this video with your friends and tell them to subscribe, and you also subscribe our channel. Hit the like button if you really like. Thank you. We will meet in next video with new job updates.